We made it to the Drury Plaza Inn, and I am immediately sitting on the balcony, relaxing now. I'm showing them the skeletons right now down on the balcony. That is one huge skeleton to be able to see it from here. Just a Texan. Obsessed with pixie dust. Texie dust. Here we are at the Drury Plaza Hotel on the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. We have booked a double queen suite room with a terrace and also a jacuzzi bathtub. It was our anniversary. And here is how big and spacious the room is. The portion with the TV and the two beds. And that's part of what I got at the marketplace. Look at that poncho. I love it. But this is a hotel room tour. Here's plenty of room for all your stuff. I mean, there's the luggage cart. The lights have extra outlets on them. There's extra outlets behind the lights. Like, there's just a lot going on in this room. And in this large suite, there is tons, and I do mean tons of closet space. Oh, there's all the other stuff we bought at the market. And there's a lot. So you have these two sides, and over here as well, there's an ironing board in there, and there's some hangers on this side, but you can hang all the way across. Like, that is a lot of luggage room. You can just store your suitcases in here if you were here for a while. We're just here for a quick weekend, so we're not necessarily utilizing it more than to like store my shopping addiction. I had to. It's a toy, but I still had to. I love it. Oh. I can find pixie dust anywhere. And then once you are through the bedroom, there is the suite side over here with the couch. That chair is normally pulled up to the desk. And then a huge balcony out back. And over here, just tons and tons of room. If you have a couch sleeper, they're happy. And a whole kitchenette. A tiny little refrigerator and microwave. Now, the refrigerator's like most hotel refrigerators these days. It takes overnight to cool anything. But as you can tell, there's more storage on this side too. This room has plenty of room for luggage and travelers. Hi! And there's my mom out enjoying the terrace in her haunted mansion top. I'm getting away from the railing. I can't believe I filmed that. My vertigo gets the better of me. Yeah. Oh, the giant jacuzzi tub is amazing. Walk bathing after the Riverwalk, especially. And all the margaritas. It was more like the margarita walk for me. There are so many perks to any Drury hotel. I have realized that now. My first Drury was the one in Orlando, and I love it. But now I'm a rewards member because for the price, number one, any area you're in, our valet parking here in downtown San Antonio, you have to valet park in any hotel you go to. Most of the time it's $50, but here it's $35 plus tax. That's way more reasonable. And I have found that with any Drury Plaza. They keep their resort fees. They either don't have them or they keep them so reasonable. And we have just loved being rewards members for Drury, to be honest. I have traveled to Franklin, Tennessee and stayed at a Drury. I have traveled to Lafayette, Louisiana and stayed in a Drury. I have stayed at the one in Orlando, and now there are several in San Antonio to stay at. This particular one is on Mary Street. It is the Drury Plaza Hotel that is in the old San Antonio Bank building. That's part of why the architecture in the lobby is so Art Deco and gorgeous and beautiful. Some of it's original from 1929. This place is just gorgeous. And you just walk out of the basement level onto the Riverwalk. You're there. There's so many perks to this place. We love Drury hotels. This older part of the building is just gorgeous. The elevator bank, the lobby. It is just beyond beautiful. Are you enjoying your stay so far?
Yep.
Yeah. When we're not having flat tires and waiting? I know. Thank goodness it was just a patch. We're waiting on the hubby to get back with the car because we went out for just a quick breakfast at P. Terry's because I love their food. And we hit a construction site, hit a nail, getting a patch. The stained glass Alamo is exquisite. That's just gorgeous. High-backed chairs leave something to be desired. I mean, they're very pretty in the lobby, but I hope you wouldn't have to sit in them very long. Commerce Street's under construction right now, so you don't get to go through the Art Deco entrance.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are! Oh!